channel. Welcome everybody on YouTube. We're at a restaurant right now, so we want to say hello to everybody. And if you're new to the channel, remember we do the tax sales. People know us as the tax sale master. We do tax lien investing, tax deed investing, tax redeemable deed investing. These are people who do not pay their property taxes. So you got to remember that. The people who do not pay their property taxes. And then you have the right to buy either the lien on it or you can buy the property, depending on the type of auction that's going around the country. Talk about the state of Oklahoma today. The state of Oklahoma, let's give you some education, get some knowledge about how the state of Oklahoma works. And so hopefully you enjoy it. Okay, Oklahoma is located on the southern part. You can say the Midwest, Midwest, South Midwest, you could say Oklahoma is located. And there's a number of states that surround the state of Oklahoma, okay? We have to fully comprehend that. We got to fully understand that. We're at a restaurant right now, so maybe a little bit nosy in the background. But state of Kansas, number 1. Missouri, number 2. Arkansas, number 3. Texas, New Mexico, and Colorado, okay? So you got 6 states that surround the state of Oklahoma. Now remember, as I tell you, these are people who did not pay their property taxes is what we focus on. That's it. Only people who do not pay their property taxes. And Oklahoma is a tax deed auction. That means when the auction happens, you're going to be basically bidding to own the property in the state of Oklahoma. And you got to fully comprehend that. You got to understand that when the auction happens, you're going to be basically bidding to own the property. It's not a time that the owner is going to pay the taxes back or anything like that. So no, you're going to own the property there, okay? And then, you know, the auctions are basically held all in person in the state of Oklahoma in the month of June. All in person in the month of June, okay? So we fully have to comprehend that. We got to fully understand that, of how it works in the state of Oklahoma. They're all in person and they are basically in the month of June, okay? How the tax business works, okay? So anyways, this is the key here, is what do? We talk about the tax sales, tax lien and tax deed and tax redeem. We don't go into other stuff. We don't go into personal information or anything like that. We basically talk about, hopefully, education that you would like to know about this. Now, we're in a restaurant right now, Texas Lucille's, or Lucille's, you could say, down here in California, so we're going to have something to eat. And we'll talk about the state of Oklahoma. We'll talk about Oklahoma, where it's located. And then we also talk that Oklahoma is a tax deed auction. And the auctions are basically all held in person. All in person the month of June, coming up, this month of June, okay, in the state of Oklahoma. So we have to understand those basic rules, okay, basic rules. And this is the important thing that we fully have to comprehend. People know us as a tax sale master. If you are down here and you want us to do a Zoom class with your other fellow investors and want to know some information about the tax sales, let us know, okay? We'll definitely reach out with you and try to give you some good education on the tax sales. So that's about it for today. We kind of do a quick one for you, a little bit longer than the 1 minute short videos, but this is what we do online. Remember, we're on TikTok, we're on Facebook, we're on YouTube, Instagram, and we're on LinkedIn too. So you can join those other channels also. And month of June, we got a lot of stuff coming on, so keep following us. We'll be doing some live Zoom classes twice a month. We'll be having those too. Okay. So thanks guys for watching. I appreciate taking your time. Bye bye.